These animations you're watching right now, the transitions, the sound design, the cinematic camera moves, the infographics, every single one of them was made with just one prompt. No editing software, no motion designer, no hours of work. Just one idea and one click. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a single sentence into a professional cinematic animation like these. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it yourself. Let's go. All right. From the home page, we head straight into motion graphics. Scroll down just a bit, and here's where the magic happens. This is where you create a full motion graphic with a single prompt. Watch this. Right here, you can type whatever you want. You just describe the vision of your motion graphic, and Infinex AI brings it to life. Now, I already prepared a prompt earlier, so I'll drop it right in here. This is my prompt. Next, the model. Infinex AI gives you two models, INFIMO 1.0 and the newest, most advanced one, INFIMO 1.1. We'll start with 1.0 for our first example. I'll keep it at 10 seconds, set my aspect ratio right here, and this is important. I'll add a few images I prepared earlier. In INFIMO 1.0, these images get used directly in your animation. So I attach them, my prompt is in, and all that's left to do is click Generate Animation. And that's it. Infinex AI is now planning and building my animation. I just wait a few minutes while it renders the whole thing. And look at this. This is the first phase. Second phase, with sound effects, all of it built in. And here's the CTA to close it out. Watch it one more time. Looks incredible, right? And here's the golden rule. Remember this. The more specific you are, the better your result. The more detail you give it. The world, the phases, the mood, the more jaw-dropping the animation you'll get back. That was example number 1. Now let me show you what happens when we level up the model. Let's take the exact same motion graphic, but this time with the advanced model, INFIMO 1.1. I'll paste the same prompt, choose the new model, keep it at 10 seconds, same aspect ratio, and pick the same images. But here's a key difference you need to understand. In INFIMO 1.1, the images you attach are references only. They guide the style and the vibe, but they won't appear exactly as they are, like they did in 1.0. So think of them as inspiration, not exact assets. Prompt in, references attached, let's hit Generate Animation. And look at this. Honestly, it looks even better than the first one. The title, the effects, everything looks real, polished, genuinely professional. Now I want to show you something more powerful. Same INFIMO 1.0 model, but with a twist. This time, we're not writing the prompt manually. Instead, we're going to use the prompt builder that Infinex AI gives you. Click Build My Prompt, and this pop-up opens up, and now you're in full control. You get to set up everything. How many phases you want, the duration, the style, the mood, the camera movement, and then you describe each phase individually and attach the exact image you want for each one. So let's build it. 10 seconds duration, 4 phases. For style, I'll go with playful. Mood, premium. Next, the palette. I'll keep this background color, set the primary to this green, the accent to this brighter green, and the text to white. Typography, bold, uppercase sans. Motion feel, a slow cinematic float. Camera, a 3D card tilt. And for effects, let's add soft motion blur with a neon glow. Now here's where it counts. Describe your phases in as much detail as you possibly can. Be specific. Describe every single element you want, because this is what gets you the highest quality result. I'll paste in my description for phase 1, then phase 3, and phase 4. I'll attach the first and second image for phase 2, and the third image for phase 3. For the finisher, let's set the effect to wipe and describe the end frame. Let's say all the elements disappear completely. Then I hit Apply Prompt. And there it is, the full prompt built out right here with all my reference images attached. click Generate Animation. And look at this. The cards, the headlines, the images, the infographics, the call to action. Every element working together. The transitions, the sound effects, it all looks absolutely incredible. Last method. And this is where it all comes together. Same prompt builder, but now with the newest model, INFIMO 1.1. I'll reopen the prompt builder and notice everything is still saved from before. Same settings, same colors, same phases, same descriptions. I just apply the prompt and the whole thing drops straight back into the box. The only thing I'm changing? The model. I'll switch it over to 1.1. Double check that all my images are attached and click Generate Animation one more time. All from one prompt. You type it, you click Generate, and that's it. You've got a cinematic, high-quality animation ready for your video. Look at each one. Listen to those sound effects. How professional they sound. The keyboard clicks, the title, the background, every frame, high quality, cinematic, exactly like the prompt described. And once you've created your animations, they're never lost. Just head over to My Motions. Every single animation you've made lives right here. Want to download one? One click and it's saved to your computer. Everything's stored, organized, and ready whenever you need it. To download or to drop straight into the Viber. Now listen, I've only scratched the surface here. That Viber feature, it's a game changer. And I'm making a whole dedicated video on it soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. But here's what I really want you to do. Don't just watch this, go try it yourself. The only way you'll actually feel how powerful this is by creating your first animation. So click the link in the description below, jump into Infinex AI, and generate your first cinematic motion graphic in the next 5 minutes. One prompt, one click. That's all it takes. Go create something amazing. I'll see you in the next one.